Introducing Hubbell Twist Lock Edge Spring Termination Locking Receptacles from Hubbell. Spring termination receptacles deliver a revolutionary improvement over screw receptacles that can help you reduce wiring installation time by upwards of 80%. With spring termination receptacles, technicians can complete the installation completely by hand without a screwdriver or torque wrench. With this new termination method, the NEC guidelines for requiring the use of a torque driver to secure the terminations is no longer required. It's an ergonomic solution that not only saves time, but significantly reduces wrist strain as well. Furthermore, wires stay tight for the long term, regardless of vibration or temperature cycling or strand relaxation. You won't have to go back and retighten, just install once and you're all set. And since there is no exposed metal on the receptacle, you can even place more of them closer together as needed. Just how much time can you save? Studies show that the average time required by a professional installer to complete a screw termination is 1 minute and 8 seconds. With the Hubbell Twist Lock Spring Termination System, a professional installer can complete the process in as little as 11 seconds. So how does it work? Let's take a look at a single-phase receptacle installation. Each unit's red plungers are shipped in the up position for even greater installation speed. Simply insert each wire into its adjacent compartment. As the wire enters the spring mechanism in the bottom of the compartment, press the red plunger back down to engage the spring for a secure, tight, permanent termination with no tools. That's all there is to it. Do the same with the other wires and all are secure for the long term. The screw termination takes more than 6 times longer. If you're doing dozens or hundreds of installations, what could you do with all that extra time? If you have a need to uninstall a device, removal is just as fast and easy. Simply lift the plunger with any convenient edge tool and lift the wires straight out. The complete line of Hubbell Twist Lock Edge Spring Termination Locking Receptacles will be available in 3, 4, and 5 wire versions, with the latter featuring a pre-installed ground wire. No matter what version meets the needs of the job, you will be installing receptacles faster and easier than ever before.